Yo, what up everybody? Today we in my room again. We about to watch another motorcycle crash compilation and react to it. I saw the first like 30 seconds or so of this video. It looks kind of crazy. So we're going to check it out and see if the rest of the crashes are going to be crazy too. But yeah, let's get to it. Hola a todos, estamos aquí mi habitación. Una otra vez. Hoy nos vamos a ver un video de caídas de motocicletas. Yo ve 30 segundos más o menos de esto. Y este video ve muy loco. Y ahora vamos a ver. Alright, we're about to start this video in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we starting off kind of crazy already. That was weird. Oh, yeah, the motocross dude. They riding down in the gutter. What the heck, man? Yo, he slid kind of far too. That's crazy. They're right inside that doo-doo, man.
Hey, buenos dias, ¿qué pasó, amigos? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel.
That's his intro.
This is
crazy, yo.
Oh, this is so slick. Oh,
I don't know why you got so close to it.
Today
that
we're
stuff
talking
is nasty, man.
10 pro tips for beginners.
La CF Moto no podía andar por acá.
Dang, look how big that windshield is, man. That thing's crazy. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I didn't even see it. Hold up, I gotta watch it again. Just the dude that went down. What the heck? Yo, what happened? This man got on some.
Otra vez sale. ¿Estás bien?
Sí. He wearing some motocross gear. He said, "Oh, to the vest" when he crashed again before. Uh oh, getting busy. Oh, yo! He's about to drag his knee. Woo.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yo. Bozo, man.
I think I got it, thanks.
I know he feels dumb. Is he wearing regular pants? He tried to lean on that bike, he only got his knee out. We on a little go-kart track with a little, I don't know, what is this, a Harley? Little baby bike. What's going on? He's lagging. What's going on, yo? What? He lagged out. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. This bad video. You can tell he crashed already. Look at the ends of the clutch and the brake. The levers, they're all broken off. Yo, he about to get hit. You better get off that track. Oh my goodness, yo. He's sitting backwards on the track. It's a little small go-kart track, but still, yo. Make sure you safe first. Uh-oh, a little supermoto race. Another little kart track. Uh-oh. Oh, yo. He mad. He was mad. It's a little TTR 125 or what? Oh, man. He in the high side of the little... Yo. You okay? Oh, he's breathing real hard.
Sure they're okay?
You got the wind knocked out of him or what?
So.
Oh, this SoCal Supermoto dudes.
No click.
You got your first fall out of the way. Oh, I saw you go over the handlebar.
Yeah. Sorry about your bike.
Yeah, that's a little TTR 125, so it looks like.
Alright. That was my first real spill on the dirt.
Oh, we on the streets with it now. Oh, what's that? What? Oh, he was scraping or what? I like the dude doing a wheelie in the front of him. Yeah, he's doing a wheelie.
Oh no!
Oh, yeah! Dang, yeah. That just went, ooh. You know you in trouble when your bike do that, yo. When you leaned over all the way that far.
Alright guys, see you later.
Yeah! He said, all right, man, see you later. Yo. He trying to show off or what? He trying to hit it? He said, all right, man, see you later. He crashed right away. Yo, that's wild. What this dude do? I wasn't even watching. Folded his bike in half. Uh-oh. We in the streets with it. Ooh. He done scratched up his Husky. Oh, you take right back off. Hit another wheelie, yo. Thumbs up, he good, he good. You gonna wheelie it again or what? Oh, nah, he didn't. Alright, this man's keeping it real dicey, yo. Yeah, I don't know why he's mad, yo. He's riding on the shoulder. In the bicycle lane, yo. Really, both of them are at fault, for real. That dude should have looked. But that dude, I wouldn't be flying down that bike lane either. It's a little dicey, it is. Hopefully his bike ain't crushed up. Oh, this is the one from the intro. Let's see. What happened? Are they trying to block the car? He ran straight through him, yo. Oh, he knocked him with a KTM too? Oh, yeah, that point. Let's see. Crash. Oh, yo! I ain't gonna lie, that kind of scared me, man. That was crazy. Oh, getting a little. Oh, he slid right there. Yo, I gotta rewind that. You can see he got a little. Got a little shook, and then he tried to lean it over again. Look, he got a little shook, slid a little bit probably, and then, yo, he just laid down like he's laying in the bed. He just. And crashes R1. Are we on the R3 now? Let's see. What the heck? He hit the front brakes? What happened? Feel like he just hit the front brake in the front and folded. Like he just slammed on that front brake. I guess he alright. I think this is in another country. This isn't in America. It doesn't look like it. Oh, we in the twisties now. Let's see. Let's see. He's about to crash. What the heck? He's trying to pick his bike up? That CBR and the Fireblade.
Oh man, I was a little.
Man down. Why was that even in there, yo? I didn't see nobody. Uh-oh. Hey, dude in front getting busy, man. See them saddlebags about to touch the ground? Yeah. He's getting busy. Yo, he's getting real dicey. Too much speed. Woo! Yo! That whole jump. Yo. That's terrible, man. Yeah, he said too much speed. He was going too fast. That saddlebag touched the ground. He couldn't lean no more. Look. Oh, he had his foot out. He couldn't lean. Yeah. That's crazy. Let's see. This is overseas for sure. Oh, yeah, on the opposite side of the road. Is he popping a wheelie? Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Ooh, I know that hurt. What, he got short sleeves on or what? Oh, no, he got a jacket, it looked like. Alright, we're in a racetrack with it. What is this? Oh! What the heck? Oh. Ooh. Look, Kermit the Frog holding on for dear life. Yeah. Dang. Oh, we're in a Grom. Oh, Willies. They're going pretty slow to be good. Ooh. Oh, I know that hurt, man. I know that feeling. I did that a couple times, but going like 3 times faster. With regular clothes on, it's not fun. Ooh, he's falling backwards. What the heck? What happened? I don't know why that was even in the compilation. That was a terrible video. What is this? Ooh! Uh-oh, high side? Oh, he's good. He just ran away. He's about to run into this dude. Oh. What the heck? I guess good thing they were going slow enough to do just... This guy just stopped. Oh, I guess that's it, y'all. That wasn't bad. I wanted to see some brutal, like the last video, some brutal motorcycle crash compilations where the dudes go down and you thinking, yo, is that dude alive, man? But, you know. Anyway, thanks for tuning in for another video. I'm going to try to make a video, if not every day, every other day. I'm trying to get back in my groove with these videos, man. And, you know, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. But yeah, just let me know in the comments, y'all, what y'all want to see. You know, thanks for tuning in again. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.